Hello and welcome. I have Tribhuvan Dev with me. Congratulations, Tribhuvan. You qualified your NET exam in HR. Actually, you qualified your JRF twice in June 2018 and June 2019. So, how are you
Thank
feeling about this?
Yeah, I'm feeling very great. Uh, yeah, this thing is for years I all I wanted was to work with some PSU, especially in HR capacity. So yeah, I'm feeling very good.
That's amazing. And tell us more about yourself. Where are you from and what did you study before this?
I am originally from Dehradun, Uttarakhand. I had my 12th from KVs. From first to 12th, I was from KV. Afterward, I had my graduation from DAV College, Dehradun, in PG College. Afterward, earlier I was indecisive what to pursue in my life, so I enrolled myself for ICWA. But after qualifying for inter and appearing in final, I didn't find it very much interesting finance. So I uh, took admission in MBA. While I was doing my MBA, I find the subjects related to HR very interesting. The psychology, the sociology, these because HR is like all-encompassing subject. It has borrowed theories and concepts from different disciplines. So I find them very interesting. So I decided to make my career in HR. But the thing is, in private sector, there is not that much scope for HR. The most of the in most of the organization, it is the centralized function. So I didn't find many scope, but in PSUs there is a separate section for different things. So I find that in PSU, if I want to be a good HR personnel, so PSU will be the good place. So as I am from Dehradun and the headquarter of the ONGC is in Dehradun, so obviously I have definitely will be a charm for ONGC. So I specifically track and when the vacancies are coming and how to prepare and what will be the question paper, etc. So I was started specifically aiming for ONGC. So before 2014-15, the ONGC used to conduct its own exam, but in 2014 there is this paper got leaked out, so they decided to select candidates through UGC net. So that's how I started preparing for this net exam.
That's a very interesting story. For someone who is planning to sit for other PSUs through the NET exam, what advice can you give about the cutoffs and how should they prepare for paper one and paper two?
If the candidate is already had appeared or already had prepared, so I advise them to go directly through your question bank. The thing is, when I started preparing, I didn't, because there are not many coaching institute who prepare you for net exam and specifically for HR. So I used to study reading books, heavy books, and I was literally memorized all those lines. But in net exam, you need to be crux in your mind. So I want to share my own experience with human paratus. In 2017, when I appeared for net exam, so while I was preparing, I will find obviously very tedious to read this book and this book and this book. So I saw here while I was surfing from where I can bought some good books. So I got the human paratus and I find read the reviews. Well, it is my blunder mistake. Because I accept this, because if I had earlier take your study material, I might be selected in 2017 already. So I didn't go for human paradice. I read my own books and I read paper one book and subject books. But that year I missed by 1 mark for the interview cutoff. So I will feel very bad, obviously. Back then I had started working in a private bank. So I was, for first 2-3 months I was very disappointed with me, that because I really wanted to be an HR profession. Then what happened, all of a sudden in March 2018 there is a new vacancies notification releases. Then I decided that I will buy the human paradice study material. I did buy it and I studied it. So my routine was like that: I wake up 5 a.m. in the morning, I read my book, I go to office, and at evening 8 or 9 p.m. I return home. I had heavy doses of coffee, and then I back to my studies. And in the daytime also, if I get the chance, I read my books. So that's how. And I did this time. I didn't refer any book, any so-called heavy book. This book. I only first 1.5 months I read the booklets. And back then it wasn't online, so you send the book, question papers, 15 question paper and 5 for paper 1. So I only read those booklets and those question papers. That time I scored for NET, and that time I also faced the interview. My interview was on 29th December, Scope Minar, Delhi. But that time also I missed. So I again feel disappointed. So I was finding it hard to manage all the time, study and job. So I left the job and I again started preparing for. And this time I had scored June 2019. I scored very good marks in the 224 marks total, and this time I got selected. So for my suggestions for those who are preparing for NET exam and wants to prepare for PSU, I will advise them that if you had already appeared once or twice, or you already studied, simply go to the question bank. I will not advise them to go for booklets. And when you appeared in the question, you go to the solution. At the end of the solution, there are the explanation. So the explanation is same which is written in the booklet. So you don't need to read twice. Go to the question, solve it, question paper, solve it, then go to the solution and read. And by that you will remember that for this particular question I read this solution. So you will memorize it. And that's how you prepare. And if you are preparing for the first time, buy your study material. First 2 months read all the booklets, then go to the question paper and online solving the question, and that is very important. So that will be the strategy I will suggest for if you are for the first time, or if you are already had appeared. And if you had scored, like this year also ONGC has issued the notification. If you are also aiming for ONGC, at least try to score minimum 220 marks. So if you had scored good marks in your written, the chances of you getting selected is very high.
Useful tips. And before we conclude the interview, if you could suggest one mistake that you could have avoided that others can avoid while preparation.
See, the mistakes the regret I have, that I should have gone for earlier for your study material, because the thing is in the book there are theories and every author has a certain way of presenting the fact. You can't read all this. But if you are specifically aiming for NET, whether to pursue PhD or the thing is कि जैसे लेबर कमीशंस हैं, उनकी रिकमेंडेशंस हैं, तो आपका जो स्टडी मटेरियल है वो इंटायरली उसी के लिए बना हुआ है कि आपको नेट क्वालिफाई करना है, जो मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है. वो सिर्फ उसी के लिए है कि आपको कहीं इधर उधर और बुक रेफर करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है। वो हर चीज़, चाहे वो IR हो, चाहे किसी भी चीज़ के हो, हर चीज़। और आपके स्टडी मटेरियल में वो भी क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे जो यूजुअली आपको, अगर आप अपनी खुद से सेल्फ प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं बुक से, वो वहाँ नहीं मिलेंगे। वो ऐसे क्वेश्चन आपके क्वेश्चन बैंक में हैं। मैं इसे ओपनली एक्सेप्ट कर रहा हूँ कि बहुत ही अच्छे, मतलब बहुत ही अच्छे से आपने वेल प्लान्ड वे में क्वेश्चन बैंक अपना प्रिपेयर किया हुआ है। जैसे कौन सा एक्ट होता है वो, इनफॉर्मल सेक्टर के लिए जो बना हुए हैं अलग, तो मुझे याद नहीं, काफ़ी टाइम हो गया पढ़ाई छोड़े हुए। तो मतलब बहुत सारा आपको जो स्टडी मटेरियल है वो एग्जाम के पर्पज से ही है, जो मुझे खुद से फील होता है। और दूसरा ये इंटरव्यू के लिए, ये है कि इंटरव्यू के लिए तो टिप्स मैं ये देना चाहूँगा कि जस्ट बी योर सेल्फ, क्योंकि जो ONGC के जो पैनलिस्ट होते हैं दे आर वेरी एक्सपीरियंस्ड इंडिविजुअल। सो आप किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ को प्रिपेयर करके जाओ, चाहे वो मैनेजमेंट थ्योरीज हो, चाहे वो IR से रिलेटेड हो, लेबर लॉज हो, आप अपना कुछ प्रिपेयर करके जाइए और वो आपसे खुद पूछेंगे इंटरव्यू में कि आप क्या तैयार करके आएंगे, और वो उसी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, और आपको ज़्यादा इतना घबराहट करने की जरूरत नहीं।
Great, thank you, and I'm sure these will be very, very helpful for someone who's preparing for ONGC specifically.
मतलब नाउ अगर मैं किसी को मिलता भी हूँ जो HR फ्रेटर्निटी के हैं, अपने HR के हैं, और वो तैयार करना चाहते हैं, तो मैं खुद उन्हें रेफर करता हूँ कि नहीं, आप ह्यूमन पेरिटिस से रेफर कीजिए और कुछ मत पढ़ो। सिर्फ आप ही का स्टडी मटेरियल पढ़ेंगे तो देयर इज सर्टेनिटी कि नेट छोड़ो JRF पक्का मिलेगा।
Great, thank you, and it was lovely speaking with you, Tribhuvan, and we wish you all the best for all your future plans and endeavors. Thank you so much.